For the Monty edition. I think we should get Monty back here on an e-bike.
Monty?
Hey? Tell him. Inspire him there. Where's the e-bike? There you are. There's one. Look at that. Look at that engine. Hey? It's got your and Gerald's name on it. Look at that end. Look at that battery. Then Gerald will push you. Barry, it's your final day. You've got a duck on your head. How are you feeling about this? Just stand back and let me see a bit of Zoot's outfit. Then what do you got? A little string bikini, what's it called? A plaid skirt, South Africa hat. Barry, that's a beautiful thing. Beautiful. Barry, quick interview. There you go. Barry, how's it been? There you go. A little bit of sugarcane riding, as there's much of. It's like up ahead. Last water stop. Got some pigs wives here. Pig supporters, Jan, the biggest. I mean, the Kawich at the last water point is really good. John Barrow, look at that, coming in. The e-bike, it's the e-bike team +1, from what I can see. I think Gabby is quote just saying, today yeah, but fuck it, I'm going. To quote, literally. There we are, the last water point. Hallelujah. We have reached it. There's Steve. Famous Belgian. Well done, Steve. You're missing my music, Steve. Last words.
Barry and Nicola Hook, John Neal, Craig LePan, Kevin Green, David Venables, Mark Tomlinson, David Green and Mark Hammer.
Well done, Craig.
Well done, guys. You are absolute champions. Pamela Wilson, Andrew Wilson, Michael Edwards,